Hello and welcome to our 9th video on AEM Sites. Today we'll go over how to restore or compare a version of your page. Starting from the site console, let's use We Retail in our example. From the main menu, click on Site and click on your project, We Retail. Choose Canada and English. Let's use the Experience page as an example. Select it and open up the Timeline panel. As you can see here, we've already created a few versions of the page. Now let's restore the first version. Select either Show All or Versions. Select the first version. Select Revert to this version. The selected version will be restored and the information in Timeline will be updated. Now we're going to talk about how to compare a previous version to the current version of your page. Again, we'll use the same Experience page as an example. Let's navigate there. Open the page's timeline by selecting the page using the check mark, and then clicking Timeline from the drop-down menu. Select the version you want to compare. Two side-by-side windows will open, one with the current version and one with the chosen version. Here on the left side is the current version of the page, and on the right side is the previous version. And that concludes Ensemble's video series on AEM Sites. Thanks for watching, and see you again next time.